So here is a glimpse of a salt mine tour that we took in Hallstatt, a small town in Austria. So beneath these picture-perfect Alps lies a secret that actually fueled empires. To reach the salt mine situated inside the Alps is quite itself a journey on its own. We also have to be suited up to explore the world's oldest salt mine before it closes for winter, so this is our costume. We were here in the months of March, but still it was -1 degree Celsius with snows covering most of the mountain tops. So what's hidden beneath this picturesque charm of Hallstatt lies a world carved by time and salt. It's actually a journey into Austria's ancient heart. Stepping into the tunnels actually feels like traveling through time, where echoes of miners from thousands of years ago whisper tales of perseverance and discovery. Yes, we are literally walking through 7,000 years of history, and this 200-year-old miner slide is your VIP ticket underground. That's right, this is how they used to actually navigate across the mines. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, whee! Now that's an experience on its own, and unfortunately we couldn't record most of the other part of the tour, but we would highly recommend to take the salt mine tour because it's worth it. Apart from that, there are many picturesque viewpoints that you can walk around in the small town of Hallstatt. It's actually surrounded by several mountains and has different views in summer, spring, and winter. This town will definitely leave a lasting impression on your minds and your memories forever. Hallstatt Salt Mines aren't just a tour, they are a testament to mankind's enduring spirit. You will be in awe actually visiting those mines and thinking about how mankind was able to really go to the depths of such Alps when there was no technology, there was no equipments as we have it today. If you liked watching this video and would like to see such videos with unique experiences, do subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.